Fashionista friends, it's Cherie here and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how I achieve these long crochet braids with the bun, so stay tuned and keep watching. Alright, so today's video is sponsored by ebonyline.com. They sent me over their Dalva Ultimate Collagen Protein Hair. I have it in the Deep Twist 18 inches color 1B. Really excited about using this hair. It says on the package, style just like human hair. I'm going to also be doing a part 2 of this video to just let y'all know how the hair held up, how long it lasted, and all of that good stuff. So to start off, I already did the whole foundation of my style. I'm doing the half up, half down, as you can see. So I just did a part straight across my head, pulled this back in a little bun, and for my braid pattern in the back, I just braided it straight back in cornrows. And then I used the hair thread to actually tie all of the braids together. So let me show how it looks. The strands of hair in the packet come like with this little tie on it like so. You can see the pre-loop and it's tied there. So what I did, I just pulled it off. I already did this one. Pulled the tie off and I just have the hair like that. So I'm just going to do the method of, let's try to zoom in some. Take my crochet needle, stick it through. And this is where I filmed out of frame like this for like 15 minutes. So on to when I finally got in frame. I just took my crochet needle, stuck it through a braid, hooked the crochet hair onto that hook on the end of the needle, closed the latch, and pulled it straight through the braid. After doing that, I just opened up that hole, took the crochet hair and pulled it straight through that hole and tied a knot. Then I just tightened it up at the base to make sure it was nice and secure. So again, I just took my crochet needle, stuck it through a braid, attached the crochet hair to the hook of the needle, closed the latch, and pulled it straight through the braid. Then I just opened up the hole and pulled the rest of the crochet hair through the hole and tied a knot. And sometimes, as you can see, I tied it once, sometimes I tied it twice. I really didn't do it purposely once or twice. It's just pretty much how I felt at that moment, to be honest. So, but that's the method I use, so I'm just going to continue to do that same method throughout the rest of the back of my head. So I have the majority of the back done except for this front part here. And in the front, I am trying to kind of camouflage the parts that you can see here. So to make it look more natural looking like this. So what I'm going to do is combine some of the braids together into one to camouflage it. So I'm going to take my needle and I'm going to put it through 2 braids. So I'm going to put it through this one and also put it through this one. So I'm going to do the same thing, latch on the crochet hair, close it, pull it through. But I'm not going to pull the whole piece of hair through. I'm just going to pull one string of it through. So I'm going to kind of separate it gonna separate it the way it naturally separates. So yeah, I'm gonna separate it and pull one piece of hair through, and then just tighten it up. And then when it falls, I kind of like adjust it to where it makes sense. So that it's gonna fall like this. So I have 1, 2 here that I'm gonna do the same thing. Like so. So I'm just gonna kind of check to see if I need to add any more. I think that's good for now. So now that I'm done with the back, I'm gonna go ahead and work on the front. So I've already kind of slicked it back the best I could without using my Eco Styler gel, because I'm trying to not use that, but nothing is slicking my hair back like the Eco Whip, but that's another story. Anyway, I'm going to try to crochet this hair into the bun. So I'm going to take my needle and go through the bun and do the same thing. Attach, close, pull it through. To attach the hair. And I don't want the bun to be super big, so I just want it to be enough crochet hair to successfully cover up my real hair and make a decent bun. So I'm just gonna see how many pieces I will need to do this. I'm just gonna keep doing this throughout the bun. I think this is enough hair to make my bun. So what I'm gonna do is just start wrapping this hair around to create the bun I want. Wrapping it kind of loosely at first just so I can get my shape. Like so. But of course that's not secure, so I'm gonna just go in with some bobby pins to secure the bun in place. Got my bun secured with my bobby pins with the shape of my liking. I don't want a super tight or neat bun, so I think I'm good here. So now I'm just gonna go back and try to slick this front part of my hair down some more and put my scarf on top to let it set, and I'll be back. Alright, I'm back and I've gotten ready, redid my edges and everything, and this is my final look. And I am absolutely loving this look, y'all. Like, I haven't had any long hair besides braids and faux locks in like 3 to 4 years now, ever since I went natural. So I don't know how to act with this long curly hair, y'all, for real. But I hope y'all like the look as much as I do. Thanks for watching, and I will see y'all next time.